In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the favicon in Leadpages. Now, for those who don't know, a favicon is that small icon displayed on a browser tab next to the page title or in the bookmarks bar, which helps identify and brand your website quickly. Let's dive right into making your website more personalized and recognizable. To get started, open your web browser and type Leadpages into the search bar. You'll see several results pop up, but what you're looking for is the official Leadpages site. Usually, it'll be the first option or the one with the URL that's simply leadpages.com. Clicking on that will bring you to their main web page. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the web page and you'll find the Login button. Click on it. If you already have your credentials saved, it might autofill for you. Otherwise, make sure you type in your email and password. If you've forgotten your credentials, don't worry. Leadpages has recovery options. Just follow the steps they provide to retrieve access. With access granted, navigate to your specific Leadpages page by opening it in the editor. This is where we'll make the magic happen. Don't get overwhelmed by all the options you see, just focus on the task at hand. On the left-hand navigation bar, you'll find several icons. Look for the Styles icon, which is depicted as a little paintbrush. Click that, and it will expand to show more styling options for your page. Among those, you should spot the favicon option within the Styles menu. Click on that to open the section where you'll change the favicon. It's a straightforward process from here. You're going to click the Add Image button. Here, you have two choices. Either upload a fresh image from your computer, or, if you have an image in your existing library, you can select it from there. Opting for an image that's clear and representative of your brand will serve you well. So take a moment to decide what works best. Once you've decided on an image, click to insert it into the favicon area. The system will handle the rest, adjusting and setting it up for optimal display. Now, don't forget the crucial last step, publishing. You must click on either Publish or Update, depending on the current status of your page, to save the changes you've just made. This ensures your new favicon is live and visible to all who visit your site. And there you go, a customized favicon for your Leadpages site, showcasing your brand in that subtle yet significant way. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. See you next time.